grateful, 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 grateful. Grateful, 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 grateful.
My name is Taj James, known as Radial. I used to attend St. Boniface Basic School, then went on to St. Benedict's Primary, where I do my GSAT exam and I pass my Old Trinity Island.
Could I not give thanks? How could I not?
What inspires me to do music? When I'm by myself and based upon how I feel, I just start to sing. Like, I just want to turn on a rhythm and just start to sing music. It's just natural for me to just sing a song. I can just look at someone's shirt and just start to sing a song, just based off how I feel, sometimes what I see, sometimes what I hear too. Okay? I love music from my heart. It's something that me love. Why not doing what I love? Because that's what I should be doing something that I love. So that's basically why I get inspired by music.
I'm so grateful, grateful.
What are some of the challenges I face a lot of challenges. You know, sometimes self-confidence. Because sometimes I know there are enough artists out there, but enough artists out there with big artists. Because of self-confidence, them not reach them. For me, I think self-confidence is one of the challenges that me have in a music. Now just say I have access to a studio, just now have access to a good quality studio and let me sing them, like to deliver the song them the right way, or me that want to deliver, now have the access to it. I really want to help with that, and that are some of the challenges that me I face in a music right now. Who are some of my influences in music? Family inspired me. Really and truly, the artists who I say, yo, them influence me the most is the king of pop, Michael Jackson. Because really and truly, yeah, you have violence music. Violence music, it's enjoyable, yes, but you can't go around when a man come out and sing a real tune. And that was the thing, that's the thing Michael Jackson did have in a difference from most artists. Because when I sing about, you know, the truth about life, like when I say, it doesn't matter if you're black or white, you know, it was just the truth about life, and him have everything on point. He can dance to, him have a different type of swag in the music. So I just say him one of my influences then. But as a for Jamaican, Vibes Cartel, you know. Which artist I want to collaborate with? Alright, with that said, what do I wish to achieve from my music? That's a good question. You want to go up on the international platform. There are some people who suffer in silence. So more of my music really and truly to heal the people them out here. If across every nation we need that healing, you know. I sing for uplift. You know, sing for us. Say yo, we just sing. We sing for uplift too. If I'm not making music, what am I doing? I'm definitely reading, researching. I want to evolve. And you know, you have friends and families here where and chill out with them. What does music mean to me? Alright, music for me is life. Music is life. And right now, if them say them go cut out music or something like that, I don't know how it happens because I love music. I start till me can wait in my sleep. Got money and gal that we call GMG. And about the way I press we nah use no key. You see the face, you hear my voice. And me I represent for 10 Space Films. People go check it out. You know we are entertaining and them are energy drain.
Make money, get love, show some respect. That cat down the road need a hug. When I'm in this hood, I'm like a builder. I make things good. Y'all niggas wishing I would die. I got a purpose in life right now.
I'm finally on my way now.